In this video, I'll show you how to install Google Analytics Manager in WordPress. Installing Google Analytics Manager, also known as Google Analytics or Google Tag Manager in WordPress, is a smart move for tracking visitor behavior, optimizing content, and improving marketing strategies. So to get started, go ahead and open WordPress on your browser, sign into your account, and then once you're on your WordPress account, go ahead and click on plugins on the left side of your screen. And then on the plugins page, go ahead and search for Site Kit by Google. So go ahead and click on this and then click on that install button at the right side of your screen. So make sure to avail the business plan on WordPress and you'll be able to install SiteKit plugin for free. So once you have installed it, go ahead and activate it. Follow the setup wizard to connect your Google Analytics account, and that is how you can basically install Google Analytics Manager in WordPress.